This is the land of Efori. Life was beautiful.
You are as precious to me as 10 boys put together.
With the journey of unknown tomorrow. Like a tale of a fairy wonderland.
There's a handsome now, hand away something big. And you handsome, but not take on the hand.
Have you in any way changed line of business into child trafficking?
Capable of igniting a sizable moment of chaotic unrest.
This Timmy, my little brother, wants to take away, will die here.
And suddenly comes a mighty wind, sorrow.
He did not complain of anything. I don't know how grateful I am. At least I can go back to school.
She's tossed about like a paper in the wind. Call it fate. Call it destiny. Full of suspense, intrigues, action.
Now, Mori thought I go fire you for that place.
Back to sender.
What's going on?
Lessons in endless humor.
Stop! Yes, I'm in charge, make I tell you.
Where do I start from? How do I get past this? Lord help me, I'm begging now on my knees. Ladies of man, where was striving? Ladies of man, it's all unbearable. Ladies of man, keep my voice alone. Ladies of man, and drying my tears. Where do I run to? Where do I run to? Ladies and men.